ways to use technology productively. Today, I want to talk to you about how to use technology productively. Whenever you read or watch anything about improving focus, one of the first tips you will hear is to turn off your phone, devices, and other technology. Although technology certainly can be a huge distraction, there are ways that you can use it productively. In fact, certain technologies are designed to aid in productivity. It seems like a waste to ignore these technologies wholeheartedly. You just have to know how to use the technology. Let's get started. 1. Set limits on what you use. Most importantly, you need to set limits on what you use if you're to use technology productively. When most people recommend putting away your phone and devices, it's because unproductive apps and websites may be calling your name. Social media, games, and YouTube are some of the biggest distractions and time suckers. Even if you get on your phone for work purposes, these fun apps can accidentally eat away at your time and focus. To ensure that you don't use the applications that are distracting and unproductive, you can set limits on when you're allowed to access them. Simply go to your settings and click on the screen time option. From there, set limits on when you can use certain apps. For laptops, you can download time management tools that will keep you away from certain sites. 2. Use timers or time trackers. The second way to use technology productively is to use automated timers or time trackers. One of the most effective productivity techniques is the Pomodoro method. This method describes alternating between work times and breaks. You can use an automated timer to ensure you are working and resting for the appropriate amount of time. You can obviously use something as simple as your phone's alarm clock or timer feature. If you're worried about having your phone out at all, there are tons of apps and tools you can download and incorporate into your laptop to stay focused and on track. 3. Schedules and calendars. One important part of staying productive is knowing what you have to do and when you need to do it. Back in the day, people exclusively used handwritten calendars and agendas. Although this is still a great way to track your time, you can save paper and time by using online calendars or scheduling apps. These digital calendars will have multiple features for divvying up your time and assignments. You could also use them to track your productivity, which can help you better estimate how long it will take you to accomplish tasks in the future. 4. Simplify small tasks. Finally, the last way that you can use technology productively is to simplify small tasks. There are tons of little things workers have to do every day. A lot of technology is designed to take away the unnecessary steps. For example, you can set automated reminders, emails, or a variety of other features. Simplifying one small task won't save you a lot of time. In contrast, simplifying multiple small tasks every single day will quickly add up. This can help you focus on the things that actually matter. Final thoughts. As you can see, technology isn't completely bad. There are certainly ways that you can use technology to remain focused and productive. Just by setting limits and using certain productive tools, technology can make your workday much easier.